Mommy, I want to go and meet my friend tomorrow in Lekki. Which of your friend? Mommy, it's my old schoolmate. You don't know him, and besides, he's been outside the country for a while now and just got back.
Okay, but be careful. Nigeria is not safe these days. I don't have money for ransom. You don't need to worry, mommy. I'm old enough now.
Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you a free AI video generator, the new AI video generator that a lot of people are using these days. Yes, a lot of you have been asking me that which is the free AI tool that you can use right now since Grok is no longer available. And because of this, I've been making my research and I finally found one. Yes, I found one AI video generator that you can have access to for absolutely free. And all I want from you now is to just pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that we need to do, we need a particular image that we are going to use to convert to video. And I'm doing this so I'll be able to use that video to show you how you can use the platform. Okay, so now let's head over to ChatGPT quickly and get a prompt to generate an image that I'm going to use to convert to video in order for me to show you how you can use this platform. So just pay very close attention. So now I'll just head over to my ChatGPT and I'm going to be typing a simple prompt, right? So I'm going to be typing a prompt like this. All right, so see the prompt. So see what I type. I say I want to create a Nollywood-style movie, just two scenes. Scene one, I want a husband and a wife in a modern living room standing and having a conversation. The husband is dressed for work. They are both in their 20s. Scene two, I want the woman in the modern kitchen cooking Nigeria jollof rice. They both, you see, they both Nigeria act as a prompt engineer and write a well-detailed prompt to generate this image. First, I just want to generate the image. So that's the first thing that I want to do, right? This is just for image. So I just have to go ahead and hit OK. And within few seconds, ChatGPT was able to help me to write a well-detailed prompt that I can use to generate this image. Okay, remember we have two scenes, right? If you notice, I have two scenes, just only two scenes for this for the purpose of this video. Scene one and scene two. So what I need to do now, let me just copy this scene one, and also I'll copy this scene two. So now I just have to head over to any image generator to generate this image. For me, I'm going to be using Google Nano Banana and I'm going to be accessing my Google Nano Banana using Flow. So let me head over to Flow to generate these images. Right, so here we are on Flow. So what I need to do now is to click this Nano Banana and then I'm going to select the aspect ratio, right? Select the aspect ratio. For the purpose of YouTube, I put it on 16:9 and then make sure you put it on image here, not the video, because we want to generate image. And then select your output per prompt, 1, 2, or 3, or 4. So I'm going to be leaving it on X2, that is 2 image per prompt. So now I just have to go ahead and paste my scene 1 and then I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. So let's watch and see as our scene 1 image is being generated. Alright guys, so as you can see, our image has been generated. Okay, look at that. This is the scene 1. Okay, it has been generated. Look at it. So you just have to go ahead and pick anyone that you prefer. Let's say if I prefer this one, I just have to click it. As you can see, if I prefer this one, then I just have to go ahead and download. You are going to see a drop down arrow or you long press it to download it. Okay, you choose the 2K resolution. Okay, yeah, and the second one also, if you prefer the second one, same apply. You click it, click the drop down arrow, 2K resolution, or you long press to download it. So now next is our scene 2. Okay, we need to go ahead and generate the scene 2, right? So for you to generate this scene 2, in order for you to get that consistent character, what you need to do is to just click this plus icon and then you upload, either you upload the image that you just downloaded, right? The image that I just downloaded, I can go ahead and upload it, or I can go ahead and select. Since the image is displaying here, what I need to do is to just go ahead and select it, or you upload it by clicking. If you click this plus icon, you are going to see upload. You go ahead and upload it, or you just select it the way I just did it just now. And then I'll just have to go ahead and paste this into. If you want to learn how to create a full AI movie with dialogue and 100% consistent character, I highly recommend you to check this my channel. You are going to see a whole lot of video on how to do this properly. Okay, because the purpose of this video is to just show you the free AI tool that I'm about to show you, right? So that is why I'm just doing this one raw free, for me to just get the image. For you to learn how to create AI movie fully, I highly recommend you to check this channel. Okay, so go ahead and hit I just paste the scene 2 now and hit OK. So let's watch and see as our scene 2 is being generated. Alright, so the scene 2 has been generated. Okay, this one is just she's just cooking, right? So we just have to go ahead and download it. We are done generating our image scene 1 and scene 2. And the next thing to do is to generate the video, right? And this is time for me to show you the free AI video generator. But before that, we need a prompt that we are going to use to convert this image to videos, right? So let's quickly head over to ChatGPT to get that prompt. Alright, so I came back here to my ChatGPT. I want to get a prompt that I can use to convert those images into video, right? So what I need to do is to type this simple prompt. Okay, I say let me write a well-detailed prompt that I can use to convert these images to video, and I put the dialogue that the wife, which is the lady at the right, says, honey, what should we cook for you as the dinner? And the man, which is the guy at the left, reply, cook jollof rice for dinner. Okay, this is just me like kind of put the dialogue so that you see them talking, right? And then the scene 2, the lady is just cooking, no talking, no dialogue. Scene 2, okay, she's just all right. So this is what I want to do. Okay, this is the scene 2 and this is the scene 1. The scene 1, they are going to talk, right? So that's why I do the scene 1 like that. I want them to have a conversation, a dialogue, right? So now what I need to do is to go ahead and hit OK. So in few seconds, ChatGPT was able to help me write a well-detailed video prompt that I can use to convert those image scenes to video, right? So look at that, scene 1 and scene 2. So what I need to do now is to copy this scene 1 and then copy this scene 2 also. All right, so now let's head over to the free AI platform to generate the video. This is the moment that you have been waiting for, right? Now let me show you this free AI tool that generate a dialogue video for absolutely free. A quick one, do you want to learn how to do everything with AI, how to create any type of realistic AI video, how to create a chatbot using AI, how to create a responsive website using AI, how to create any type of flyer or logo using AI, Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more? Then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. All right, so what you need to do now, you just have to come to your browser and then search for OII.ai. Okay, .ai. All right, so go ahead and hit OK. All right, so look at it. So as a new beginner, this is their landing page, right? So what you need to do is to go ahead and sign up. As you can see, free credit. They do give free credit here, and as you can see, so as a new beginner, you just have to go ahead and sign up using your Google account. So let me go ahead and sign up using my Google account right now. Alright guys, so I just log in using my Google account. So what I need to do now is to either I click this plus icon to bring in my image and paste the prompt, or I just have to go ahead and click this start creating, and then it will take me to the full size of this place that they put this plus icon and those stuff, right? So for the purpose of this video, right, we just have to go ahead and click this start creating. Alright guys, so if you click that start creating, it's going to bring you here. What you need to do now is to go ahead and click this plus icon to bring in the image, and then you paste the prompt, and that is what I'm about to do right now. So watch me as I'm going to do. Alright, so as you click it, it's going to bring you here. So you just have to go ahead and select the image, the one that you want to use, right? Let me see, I prefer this first one, right? Okay, so what I need to do now is to go ahead and paste the prompt. See one prompt, paste it, and then go ahead and hit OK. So now let's watch and see as our video is being generated. Alright guys, so our video has been generated, and as you can see, so if you want to edit it, if what you get you don't like it, you just have to go ahead and click I want to modify this. It's just like you chatting with AI, right? So let's open this video and see what we get.
Honey, what should I cook for you as dinner?
Cook jollof rice for dinner, honey.
Honey, what should I cook for you as dinner?
Cook jollof rice for dinner, honey.
Okay, as you can see, you see, so this is top notch, and one good part, this video is 12 seconds, unlike VO2 that is just 8 seconds, right? You see the difference, right? So this is cool. This is what we want. We got it right. You may ask, the dialogue is kind of slow, right? It is because what I want them to say is less compared to what they can say. Because if you want them to say much, you can add more, not that much, but add a little bit more dialogue, right? So you're able to do this for absolutely free. So for you to download your video, you just have to click this three dot, and then you're going to see download it, and this video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Now let's generate our second scene in, and if I want to continue this one, if I want the dialogue to be long, I will just have to go ahead and use the same image. Right now, click the plus icon again to bring in the second scene. Okay, so this is the second scene while she was in the kitchen, right? The lady. So I'll just paste the prompt again and I'll hit OK. So let's watch and see what we are going to get. Remember, whenever you paste your prompt like this, there's some question it may ask you, should it convert this prompt to video automatically, and also all these things. Then you just have to go ahead and click yes. Okay, it might ask you that question, maybe as a new beginner, so you just have to pay attention to it. Alright guys, so now the second video has been generated, our second scene, and as you can see, so this is just a scene of her cooking, right? Let's play the video and see what we get. Okay, so this is the second. This is what we want. Actually, the second scene is just her cooking. This is what we want, and this is basically how you can use this platform. But this platform is not 100% free. They give you 60 AI credit every day. So every day that you are logging in, if you are checking in, they are going to be giving you 60 AI credit every day. Okay, which, as you can see, you can use to generate your video. But if you want to do a heavy project, you have to upgrade to their pro plan, or you have to buy an AI credit. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice at the comment section, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and big JohnAb as per your friend. Hand to it. Salute. Bye.